So first thing we need to do is sterilise these jars. So just pop them in a large pan of water, bring that to a boil, and then we can make us brine. So I'm using 1 cup of water and then 1 cup of white vinegar. You can use malt vinegar if you want, up to you. Then add a teaspoon of salt and then a tablespoon of sugar. That's going to offset the acidity. Now I'm just going to bring this to a quick boil and make sure all that salt and sugar have dissolved. Now I'm just going to slice half a small onion, just into strips. Meanwhile, this water's come to a boil, so just turn it down and let it boil for about 10 minutes. And this brine has come to a boil, so we've turned it off and we're going to let it cool down a little bit. Now when it comes to your cucumber, just take these ends away. And now you've got 2 choices. You can either cut it into slices or you can cut it into strips. That's entirely up to you how you do it. But I'm going to go with slices. And make them as thick as you want. So this jar's been in boiling water now for 10 minutes, so it's sterilised. So now we can add the cucumber. So we're just going to pop a few straight in here. And then we're going to add some of this shredded onion. And then we're going to add a few peppercorns. And then we'll just top it back up with some more cucumber. Now we can fill it with that brine. Make sure that everything is covered. And then we'll pop the lid on and make it really tight. And that's your pickled cucumber, all finished. And as I say, that'll keep in your refrigerator, not in a cupboard. If you put it in a cupboard, it'll probably last about 4 weeks. If you put it in a refrigerator, it'll keep for up to 2 months.